In this video you will learn how to send a PDF file in Gmail from your mobile. So I have already opened a Gmail app and I will click compose to start a new mail. Here write this person to whom you want to send. Here write the message. So after you have written the message, you need to attach the PDF file just like any other file, whether it is an image, whether it is a PDF file, it is a Word document, or it is a PowerPoint presentation. It doesn't matter. Even if it is a video file, the procedure is same. You need to write an email, write the address of the person to whom you want to send, and then you need to click this paperclip type icon which is somewhere here, which says attach file. Click on that and then you will see the pop-up screen in which you will have two options, attach file and insert from drive. So I will click attach file, and then you need to browse the PDF file from your mobile. Select that file, it will get attached and the icon will be shown here, and then this is all what you have to do. Now you just need to press this send button and this mail will be sent. Let me just do it. You can see a message here that right now it is sending this email, and the email has been sent. We'll just verify that by seeing it in the sent items. So right now it is still uploading, but after the uploading is complete, this will be shown in the sent item instead of an outbox. If you get stuck on this uploading issue, I have already made a video on this in which I have shown at least 10 methods with the help of which you will be able to send this mail which is stuck in the outbox. By the way, my mail has been sent, but just in case your mail is not sent, you should see this video which I will give the end screen card right now. In any case,